everyone! Today I will talk about sign in and maintain user profile. Our platform currently supports two registration methods, Passkey and email. Let's first demonstrate how to sign up using a passkey. First, fill in your name and the passkey name you would like to set. Next, click Sign Up. Here, we will use Google Password Manager to save the passkey. After clicking Create, the system will prompt you to enter your PIN number. Once completed, your passkey will be successfully created. In addition to passkey registration, the platform also supports email registration. Now, let's demonstrate how to sign up using email. First, fill in your name and email address. Then click the Sign Up button. The system will automatically send a verification email to the email address you provided. Open the email and click the verification link. After verification is completed, the system will automatically log you in within a few seconds. After logging in, you will see your company list on the home page. Click the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then select User Profile to access the User Profile page. On the User Profile page, you can view your name, user ID, email, and phone number. If you need to update your personal information, click the Edit Profile button. You may update your username, email, or phone number. Then click Save to apply the changes. The information will be updated successfully. On this page, you can also view the passkeys you have created. You may add a new passkey, rename an existing passkey, or remove any passkey that is no longer needed. Additionally, you can review the active sessions currently logged in under your account. That's all for today, and have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.